In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock images and text on your slides here in Google Slides. So in a previous video, I've already shown you how to make fun drag and drop activities with this example slide right here. I've just added some additional images at the side, but it's basically the same thing. And if you're trying to create these drag and drop activities, you want to make sure that when your students do these activities, they won't be able to click on anything else but the interactive elements like these ones right here. But if your images, your text, or your shapes are not locked in, there's the possibility that your students might move some of the elements. Like for example, instead of moving these elements right here, they might click on this shape and move it instead. They're going to undo it every time. Or click on this image and move it right here. Instead of focusing on the activity, they'll be repositioning other things in your slide as well. So to prevent that from happening, what we're going to do is to lock in these images, these text, these shapes onto our slides, and just to make sure that the only thing that your students can move or interact with would be these elements right here, which is the activity. So we're going to do that in two ways. The first way would be to save this slide as an image, then reinsert it into our slide. So let's go ahead and do that. First, we're going to remove these elements right here because they are not included in the images that we're going to be locking in into our slide. Let's go ahead and download this as a JPEG image. Go to File on the menu bar, then select Download. On the right side, select JPEG image. If you click on that, it will automatically be downloaded as an image onto your drive. Now let's reinsert it. Let's just add a blank slide right here. Drag it down here. Then go to Insert Image Tool here in the toolbar. Select Upload from Computer. There we have it. Here are our files, and this is the one that we just downloaded. Just select it, go to Open, and there we have it. We're just going to reposition it to fit our slide. There we go. Now, your students can't move anything else on this slide anymore, but the downside is it's still an image. They can definitely move the entire image like so. So I think a better solution to this would be to go to your theme builder in View on the menu bar, select Theme Builder right here. Now we can add a new layout. Just right click on this side right here and add new layout. Here is our custom layout number 1. I'm just going to delete this text box, then reinsert that image. So go back to Insert, select Image, and upload from your computer drive. Select that image, click on Open, and there it is. Zoom out a little, reposition that image to fit in your entire slide, and there you have it. If we close this theme builder right here, and I'm going to add another slide with a layout, and I'm going to choose the newly added layout that we've just created by inserting that image in our theme builder. So if you click on this, there you have it. For this one, it's definitely locked in. You cannot move anything else. All you have to do now is to add your PNG images to create those drag and drop activities. This is the first one that we've created by downloading that slide as an image. But as you can see, we can still move this image right here. It doesn't really lock it in. It is an entire image that your student can still move if they accidentally clicked on something else other than the elements that you've already added here for your drag and drop activity. So I think our second method would be the better way to do it by adding that image onto your theme builder to create a new layout, which will fix everything, lock it in. All you have to do now is to add in your elements. Let's go ahead and do that. Just go to Insert Image Tool in the toolbar and search for the images that you want to use for your drag and drop activity. And there we have it. Now that we've added our interactive elements that your students will be dragging and dropping into this box right here. There we go. Now, if they accidentally click on something else, they won't be able to. The only things that they'll be able to interact with are these ones right here. And there you have it. That's how to lock your images, your text, and your shapes on your slides here in Google Slides. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.